Hello everyone, today I will talk about a question that is, can Chinese energy ring leads you on animals and plants? For me, I read about Chinese energy ring on the both animal and plants. Um, Video new and models technologies. Uh, with Chinese energy ring, we can take away mass Chinese and stop disease. It helps animal and plant to be stronger and healthier. For example, Chinese energy ring is you on ripe plants. Some ripe plants have the bad Chinese that make them weak. Um, they can get sick easier, and they can get sick easier and not grow well. Uh, sci- Scientists use Chinese energy ring to change the Chinese. Uh, they they make they make right plants stronger. Mm, the new the new ripe plant can fight insects and use chemical sprays. And this is wood for people and also wood for environment. Um, another example is cows. Some cows have a bad genes that make them sick or keep keep let milk. Um, Keep let milk. The scientists change the genes to help cows stay healthy and give more milk. The the cow the cows grow up better and live longer. They have farmer and keep more for pupils. To summarize, I about read about Chinese energy ring on the animals and plants because it it helps them stronger and healthier. Thank you for listening.